Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're breaking down the smartest money moves for every stage of life. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. Real wealth is built step by step, from your first piggy bank to retirement. I'll walk you through the essential financial moves you need no matter your age. This is the roadmap I wish I had when I started. Ready to take control of your financial future? Smash that like button and subscribe for more. Let's dive in. The journey starts young. Learn what money is, how to earn it, and the power of saving. Mastering wants versus needs and respecting the value of a dollar sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, open a savings account, your first step into real banking. Watching your savings grow in a bank teaches responsibility and turns saving into a real, trackable habit. In your 20s, budgeting is non-negotiable. Track every dollar in and out. Use an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. A budget gives you freedom and clarity, helping you direct money toward your goals. It's about making informed decisions, not restricting yourself. Build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate high-yield account. This safety net keeps you out of debt when life throws curveballs. Avoid high-interest debt, especially credit cards. If you can't pay it off in full each month, don't buy it. High-interest debt is the enemy of wealth. Stay disciplined. Start investing as early as possible. Compound interest is your best friend. Open a Roth IRA, invest in low-cost index funds, and be consistent. Even small amounts grow massively over time. Time in the market beats timing the market. As your income grows, aggressively pay off high-interest debt, especially student loans. Freeing up cash flow accelerates your investing and financial goals. Max out tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Always grab your employer's match. Aim for at least 15% of your income. The tax benefits supercharge your nest egg. Protect your progress. Get health, term life, and disability insurance. Insurance is your financial defense, shielding you from catastrophic loss. It's peace of mind for you and your family. In your 30s and 40s, plan for big goals: home, family, business. Set up separate savings or investment accounts for each. Track your progress so you don't derail your retirement savings. As your portfolio grows, diversify. Add bonds, international stocks, maybe real estate. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification protects your wealth as you approach retirement. In your peak earning years, make catch-up contributions to your retirement accounts. Every extra dollar now has a big impact on your future comfort. Teach kids about money, give them an allowance, show them how to save, spend, and invest. Involve them in real financial decisions. You're giving them a head start on lifelong financial success. As retirement nears, aim to pay off your mortgage. Owning your home outright lowers stress and living costs in retirement. Now, create a retirement income plan. Turn your savings into a steady paycheck. Balance withdrawals from Social Security, pensions, and investments for tax efficiency. The goal: make your wealth last for decades. That's your financial roadmap. 15 smart moves for every stage of life. Success is about consistent, smart choices, not one big leap. Start with the step that fits your life right now. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical wealth-building advice. Join our community and take your next smart money step. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.